Hi everybody, it's Maddie from LuckyVitamin, and today I'm going to show you how to make golden milk overnight oats sweetened with monk fruit. This recipe is all the goodness of a golden milk latte in breakfast form. I personally love monk fruit. It's my go-to sweetener because it substitutes one for one with sugar, so it's easy to swap in different recipes. And also, if you don't really like the taste of stevia, this is a good option for you. To get started, you'll need rolled oats, turmeric, ginger, salt, black pepper, monk fruit, coconut milk, preferably the kind that comes in the carton, and blueberries to top it all off. Let's get started. So to start, you'll combine all of your dry ingredients into your mason jar. So first we'll take a half cup of rolled oats. Next, we'll do a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. And then we're going to add a quarter teaspoon of ginger onto that. All right, and next we'll do a pinch of salt. Sorry. All right, and then another pinch of black pepper. And last but not least, a tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener. Next, you want to make sure all of your dry ingredients are nice and combined, so give it a little mix. So after you mix it up, you're going to add a half cup of coconut milk. And after that, you're going to give it one final stir before popping it in the fridge. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or like I do, overnight. All right, we just took our oats out of the fridge. They're certainly golden, so now all that's left to do is to top with some blueberries. I am super excited to give this a try. All right. It tastes really good. If you like videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, reach out to one of our wellness ambassadors, and as always, spread the wellness.